Hello po sa inyong lahat at welcome sa Thank God It's a Friday edition ng The Stock Market today, June 4, 2021. Tatlong araw na lang, Lunes na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chadoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw na nagsimula po ako noong August nung nakaraang taon. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. MONDE and ACEN po ang ating balita at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, Friday, June 4, 2021. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, Converge invests $4.84 million in digital crossing, $2.66 million in Asian Netcom. Listed fiber broadband provider Converge Solutions Inc. announced on Thursday that it had acquired shares in cable landing stations operator Digital Crossing Inc. and Asian Netcom Philippines Corp. that owns land assets where East Asia Crossing cable landing is located for $4.84 million and $2.66 million respectively. In a disclosure to the stock exchange, Converge said it entered into a deed of absolute sale on shares with Digital Telecommunication Philippines for the acquisition of 10,000 common shares in Digital Crossing, which maintains and operates the cable landing stations in the Philippines for EAC and C2C or city-to-city cable systems. Bringing Digital Crossing into Converge is seen to promote the strategic imperative of the company to expand capabilities in telecommunications, since it acquires interest in entities involved in providing, operating, and maintaining the cable landing stations of EAC and C2C international cables, the listed company said. In a separate disclosure, Converge said it likewise entered into a deed of absolute sale of shares with Digital Telecommunications Philippines for the acquisition of 300,000 common shares in Asian Netcom Philippines. Asian Netcom Philippines is also a shareholder of Digital Crossing. Related kaya ito sa mga Gokong Ways, yung digital nila? I wonder. So that's our news for the day. And by the way, before we proceed, just to show you some of the news items we have here, Jollibee temporarily shuts down BGC branch after fried towel complaint. So, imbis na fried chicken, fried towel. Then Razon takes helm of Manila Water. So yun po yung other news from Philstar. And let's now take a look at the PSE. The PSE index gained 4.47 points, but if we'll take a look at the candlestick chart, it is consolidating. Actually, it ended almost flat since 4.47 points is just very small. So, nag-sell na siya or overbought na siya 2 days ago, and it is consolidating. In the meantime, the next resistance level, if it is done with consolidation, it may rise to the 7,000 level. Yan, 7,000 level po yung pwede niyang itaas. And yung market summary naman natin, 110 companies advanced, 88 declined while 48 remain unchanged. We have net foreign buying at 1.07 billion, which is the 5th straight day, I think, or 6th. The all-share index gained 11% or 0.11%. That is not much, 4.57 points lang siya. But the sectoral indices ended mixed. The financials, holding companies, and services ended in the green, led by the financials, while the industrials, mining, and properties ended in the red, and decliners was led by mining. So on the most active stocks, we will be reviewing the top 10. Let's take a look at SMPH, ACEN, Ali, BDO, MONDE, SM, ICT, GLO, AP, and let's include Converge. Yun yung news item natin for the day. So SMPH first, yung ating review. So SMPH ended with a doji. So it ended almost flat at 40 centavos down. Kaya halos cross itong candlestick na ito. Pero meron po siyang volume. Ayan po, meron siyang volume dito. And my guess, my educated guess po, when it comes, when Monday comes, is that maaring tumaas po ang ating SMPH sa Monday o sa mga sumusunod na araw. Yun po ang aking feel dito. Because the stock is still bullish with our three main moving average. Moving average is below our candlesticks. And then ACEN or ACEN, si ACEN patuloy na tumataas to. Ganyan-ganyan lang siya, no? Pero before you know it, pataas na siya. Actually, 7.78 is already a price which is on the way up, because yung ating mga indicators are below the candlesticks since May 26 or May 27. Yan, since May 27 po, below the candlestick po, above na yung candlesticks natin ng ating moving averages, which is an indication of an upward trend. And then after ACEN or ACEN, Ali. Okay, Ali is consolidating. So it ended at 34 or 36.40, losing 10 centavos. Pero bullish pa rin po siya dahil yung ating moving averages are still below the candlesticks, indicating a bullish trend. Then BDO. Okay, BDO is bullish. It ends in 107. And our indicators, the 20, 50, and 100 are below the candlesticks, which would indicate a bullish trend. And nasa resistance area na po siya ng 106, 107, and the next resistance area is 110. Yan po ang BDO, which is now at a bullish trend. MONDE, ano nangyari kay MONDE? Tumaas siya. Although, well, it is still below the IPO price, but it gained today. Sayang hindi ako nakabili yesterday. I was trying to buy at 12.93 or 12.92, pero lumagpas na yung presyo nung makita ko siya. So MONDE, I cannot still plot something on this since tatlo or apat lang yung kanyang candlesticks. And then let's go to SM. Okay, SM is consolidating also. Ends in 1,000, gaining 2 pesos. Not much, pero bullish po si SM. RSI is bullish at almost 60. And then after SM, tingnan natin si ICT. Okay, ICT is also consolidating, pero ano po ito? Bullish po si ICT. So it may go up a little higher, but actually this is already 52-week high, or 149.50, or 148 is nearing the 52-week high of 150. So 2 days ago, nag 150 po siya, pero I think it will hit the 150 next week. So ICT is bullish with RSI at 67. And then GLO. Okay, GLO ended with a green candlestick, still bearish to sideways. It has been on that level, sideways level, since April, the beginning of April. Ganyan po yung presyo niya. Sideways to bearish po. Yan po. Pero yung real sideways level and started in May 3. So bullish to sideways or bearish to sideways po si GLO. But anytime, pwede po yan mag-breakout. And next, we have Aboitiz Power. Okay, Aboitiz Power, still sideways ang movement, bearish. Well, shall I say bullish to sideways since under the candlestick yung ating short-term indicator. And then Converge. Ang Converge, ang target price ko po dito is 24. So it continues to move upwards with support at the 50-day exponential moving average. Ngayon po ang support is nasa 18.98. 18.98 po yung support level ni Converge, and it is bullish as our three main indicators are under the candlestick. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, Friday, June 4, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, magpabakuna. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, happy weekend, God bless, and bye for now.